Hi, Deidre here from Our Upcycled Life. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom envelopes. This is so simple, just takes a few supplies and you can make envelopes in a matter of minutes. I'm using a piece of scrapbooking paper that I cut into a square. You can make your square any size you like that's going to be perfect for your project. I am folding in the corners to meet in the middle. And then I'm taking my bone folder and I'm pressing it down so we get a nice crisp fold. Now I'm going to take my ruler and lay it across the top of that fold. And we're going to bring the bottom of the paper up to that ruler. And then we're going to get our bone folder again and go along the lines so they'll be nice and crisp. We are now going to take our ruler and go to those 2 points and then bend back that triangle and use my finger to make a little bit of an indent, because then we're going to fold it in and we have a nice crisp line. Now we're going to use our double-sided tape, and if you don't have any, you can also use glue. And I'm going to go right along that triangle and then we're going to fold it in and press it down, make sure that it sticks really well. Now we're going to add the double-sided tape all along the outside too, on both sides, and then fold it up along that crease. Grab that ruler again and lay it at both points along the top, and then fold that triangle in, creasing a line. And then fold it down into the middle using your bone folder to make a nice crisp line. Now this is optional, but I like using a corner punch. It just finishes off the envelope nice. I'll put a link below for all of these supplies that I'm using down in the description. Now I'm going to make an envelope so we can have print on the inside and the outside. I've taken 2 pieces of scrapbooking paper, cut them in a square, and used my glue stick to put them together. We're going to fold it into the middle, and we're going to do the same technique that we did on that first envelope. I find using the bone folder with this project makes a world of difference. It just makes nice clean lines, and then your envelope lays flat when you're all finished. We're now going to place the ruler along the top and then fold the bottom into the top of that ruler. We're now going to lay the ruler along that edge, put a crease in it, fold it in, and we're going to get out our double-sided tape. Applying our double-sided tape along that little triangle, folding it in, and then putting it along the sides. Using our bone folder so it's nice and crisp, and you can see we've created that pocket of our envelope. Now we're going to lay the ruler along the top, put a crease in that flap, fold it in, use our bone folder. That easy. We've made an envelope, and these are so beautiful because now we have a pattern on the inside and the outside. Now if you want to use this to mail and you want to write an address on the outside, you can put the white on the outside and have the pattern on the inside. And that way when you're mailing it, you will be able to see the address that you're writing on it. Now we've made an envelope that's perfect to put a card in or a little note and write an address, put a stamp on it, and mail it at the post office. And after you've put what you wanted in the envelope, you can use your double-sided tape and put it along the edge. You can use some glue stick, or you can put a sticker at the bottom of the flap. So many possibilities. I'm now going to make some smaller ones. These are perfect to add to your junk journaling, mixed media, scrapbooking, and you can use up all those little scrap pieces of paper that you have laying around in your craft room. So here are just a few of the envelopes that I've made with some scrapbooking paper. You can use regular computer paper, you can use packing paper, you can use gift wrap paper. So many possibilities. You can use a blank piece of paper. If your kids want to make envelopes, they can draw on them, you can stamp on them. Just get creative and try this technique out, and they can turn into envelopes in a matter of minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial where I was showing you how to custom make your own envelopes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you love this video, I'm sure you'll love either of these next two. Take care.